Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back. This is Madi again. This is Madi again. So have a good evening, everyone. So Om Swastiastu from Mami. And this evening I'm really hungry. I just came from work. So I would like to make something special for my dinner. So before we start, I want to take some stuff from my garden in my balcony. So before we jump in, so I show you my garden secret in Miami. Let's do it. Yeah, this is I have some chili here. This chili almost we have to harvesting just everything already fall down. So and then also at the side we have something different like a kale stuff. Yeah, they're ready to make some salad probably. So I needed this stuff very much for cooking ramen. I mean stir fried ramen. This a leek, and also I need this one. I think is we call a no bak choy is I don't know very much. This one is I think in Indonesia we call sayur hijau. Yeah, very much. Yeah, it's like already getting flowers on it. This means it's already old. So I try to find out just a little bit around here. I can grab this one. Yes, I got it one. So, this one there. I wanna cook this one. And also I get this guy too. All right. Let's jump into the kitchen. So right now we're inside the kitchen. So let's go we cook. So before we start to cook, so I have to prepare, introduce all the ingredients first, and then so make sure it's complete. I have yes I have cabbage, red chili, big red, and a green one. We got garlic, onion, and then veggie, and this is green. They call it sawi hijau in Indonesia, but I don't know very much in English. Yeah, and we have a leek here, and for the achar, the pickle, we using the carrot and also use the cucumber. So, and then of course as we use the ramen, this one, yeah. And then the specialist for tonight are using the heritage breeded, yeah, the egg, and so look like this is very much expensive here, yeah, and there is two different color, and then very much when I don't know inside how look like. I'm so excited also because the price is totally different than regular egg. So we do have this different egg. This is a regular egg, but this cost is around $1 or $2, something like that. But this one is very much expensive. It's like $9 for 12 piece. And also we got right here is chicken meatball, and this giant chicken we have to cut it, and then I need only the chicken breast, and then we could just bean sprout, and also I have to use the other one is shrimp. So before we start, so I have to prepare this one first. I have to clean the fillet the shrimp. So I turn the water first. So let's see, I clean this one first. This is the first step I have to do. Yeah, take up the shell from the shrimp. Okay, the second step I have to peel the chicken, and then I need only chicken breast. It is. So we got two, and then I think I have only using one. That should be enough. So, because I eat only by myself, so. Okay, up next we have this meatball. To cut a little bit, small size, like this. This is chicken meatball. So, Ramen, I love to eat meatball. The time if I cooking something. Right. Okay, right now the water already hot, so I have to cook the ramen. So before we start cooking ramen, so I don't want the ramen is getting sticky. So the first one I put it a little bit salt, a little bit, this, yeah, and then I put it some oil, olive oil. If you guys you don't have olive oil, yeah, you can using the coconut oil. Oh, that's the best. There you go. Oh, I think my noodle is ready done. This one, so I turn off the stove, and then I grab some and keep cool down a little bit. I do put it in some oil was, but look like it is so sticky. Well, I just don't want a chance, so I just put a little bit more olive oil. So yes, ready. Second. So noodle is done. Right now I have to make the fill the garlic. So this is very easy, simple step. that, check it a little bit. The next one is to cut the onion. And then julienne. And then vinegar. Right, this is very much right now, and then I need to only this one more time. So here, so if you like it, this one, I love this stuff, so I can cut like this much big. And also, this is from my garden, the garden stuff. And the last one is cabbage. So right now we got everything done, so we are ready to cook. First one I have these two. So the sauce we need today is, I think I need this one, sweet soy sauce, and this gentleman seasoning umami from vegies, and then we have kikkomen soy sauce. That's it. And this one, the spicy from the ramen. So I need 2 or 3. So the first one is I put it in the chicken. Before I put the chicken, just make sure I want to add a little bit salt first. And after that, we put it on shrimp. the garlic. The garlic. Onion. Happy cooking. Put the noodle right now. Noodle in. Sick. Cabbage. Saus hijau. The soy sauce a little bit, seasoning, a little bit soy sauce, touch this guy, yes. Last part is, you guys, if you using the bean sprout, yeah, this must be crunchy, right? Because this noodle is a little bit soft, so this one we need the crunchiness. So we put it this one, the end of, yeah. So good. I think this one I need a little bit salt and yeah, I put it a little bit. Yeah. It depends, you guys. If you're cooking this one, if you like this a little bit salty, yeah, you add it a little bit more. You don't put it like exactly amount how much. Yeah, so just enough. Yeah, I think this one is just ready. We are right now, we have to feeding because I'm so hungry and then I have to eat. Oh, well, I turn on my stove and then I think I need to make one fried egg, and also the last part is I have to make achar. That's all. So let me move a second. This one just a regular one. Okay, I need one egg, isn't it? So I want to open this egg. How it look like? Wow. Ooh. this one is finished, and then right now I have to make it achar alias pickle. So I skip for a second. Yeah, how I make an achar? Follow me. First one, I get this one. I want to make a achar with a cucumber. Take off the seed. After that, we just okay. So we put it in one bowl, and then I love green chili. Then yeah, I was already this one. Wash it. Green chili and a little bit onion. That. And some salt. Last part is vinegar. This vinegar smells so good. Then transfer here to this bowl. Voila! Wow, this is ready. This is amazing, right? So you guys, you want to eat this one? You follow me, and then you get great food. So I already cannot wait for eating this one because I'm so hungry. And this is my pickle. So I think this one, let me try. Sour. Oh, I think I forget. I don't put it a little bit sugar. So well, I just want digging this one. This giant noodle. Oh my God, I cannot wait. Don't be jealous if I eating it more. I think I will getting fat. Let's try this one a bit. How it tastes? I want a little bit red. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. It's just joking. Everyone, thank you for watching, and thank you for visiting our channel. See you next time in next video, and it must be fun. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. Wow. Super shiny and yellow color. Oh my God. My tummy. Ooh. I cannot wait for this. Oh. Just a second. But they complain. Stuck as well, I can. This is wrong, Rusang. Rusang, wrong. This is not smoking, this one is burning. Oh my god, this one is horrible dinner. Oh my god, sorry. Sorry, my dear. Hold on a second. I just want to make the regular one.